What's up, brother? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, what I'm gonna do, I will pick one product that's selling well right now on eBay, and I will show you the sales through rate on Duraback. And when it comes to selling on eBay, the sales through rate is very important to see it. It basically shows you a likelihood of being successful. The one product that I will show you today is one that has a low through rate, but I will show you how you sell it and make money from it. So make sure you watch the whole video. Now, what is another thing that I'm gonna show you in this video is creating a dropshipping store in the end of the video. Normally what I do is I import products from China to my house and then sell it, and now I'm gonna create a dropshipping store. That's what I'm gonna do now in the end of the video. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. And yeah, in the end of the video I will create a store using a product that has a high sales through rate on eBay, and then we will be able to compare if it makes any difference and see what results. I'm gonna show you exactly the product that I'm gonna sell and how I'm gonna market the product. Now I have just jumped over to the product well I sell in eBay, and what is the product that I will selling on eBay? It's a drone camera. As you can see now, this seller sold 837 in the last 24 hours, which is super good. If I was to drop ship this product, I may be able to get some decent results, and I'm probably going to sell it for a little bit higher. I am going to be able to price it at whatever amount I want, because I'm not going to be competing with a lot of sellers on eBay. Now what is the next thing that I will do now? I'm going to jump over to Duraback to show you exactly the sales through rate. Let's go over to Duraback now to see the sales through rate. I have just jumped over to Duraback. I am going to search for the drone camera to see exactly the sales through rate. So let's do that right now. Right, you need to type in drone camera, and then what you need to do is select these three things: new, fixed price, and best of accepted. Check the previous video to know why I'm doing that. I have explained in my previous video where I intentionally showed you the drone camera, so you can see the reasons why I select these options. What I'm going to do after I select everything, I am just going to click on research, and as I saw, the sales rate is 20%, which is low. As you can see, now we need to see the results of selling this product, and you need to know that this is not a product that I would. What I'm going to do after I select everything, I'm just going to click on research, and as I saw, the sales rate is 20%, which is low. As you can see, now we need to see the results of selling this product, and you need to know that this is not a product that I would ideally like to build a Shopify store around, but we need to see exactly what sort of sales I will be able to get. And you need to know this: when the sales rate is low, it doesn't mean that you won't be able to sell this product or create a dropshipping store. You need to give a show. I'm just going to dropship the product on Shopify, not going to post it. And another thing that you need to know, a new feature that eBay has now introduced on Duraback research, it shows you the total amount of sales that were generated in the given period that you selected. You need to bear this in your mind. It shows you how many sales was generated from that keyword, and you can see that the market is quite decent. Now what I'm gonna do now, what I'm gonna do is jump over to AliExpress to see if it's available for us to import or not, and if the product is available with a decent shipping time. In the next video I will show you exactly what you need to do. Let's jump right into the video. The product is premium 4K HDMI cable. You can make a lot of money from this particular product. As you can see here, 3,800 sold, and total revenue is almost 100%, 99% feedback. This seller making a lot of money from this one. The total price is $6. Now what you need to do is go and click on sold to know the last 100 transactions, and after that you need to go over to Duraback to know if the sales rate is good or not. This step is very important. Now what you need to do is go over to Duraback and search for premium 4K HDMI cable to know exactly how this product is doing well or not. And before that, what you need to do, you need to click on new and fixed price and best of accepted. Now as you can see here, the sales rate is good. The sales rate is 35%, and total item sales is 6,000 $800 and total sold is almost $10,000. It's easy to make money from this particular product. What you need to do, you need to scroll down. As you can see here, the seller, he made over $11,000, and here the seller made over $10,000. As you can see here, you make a lot of money from this one here. You can start with this product, and trust me, you can make a lot of money. As you know, what we need to do, we need to go over to Alibaba.com to see if we can import this product or not. As you know, we need to go now. So this is Alibaba.com and search for this product. Now what we need to do, we need to type in premium 4K HD MI cable and click search. Now what we need to do after that, we need to scroll down and see suppliers. The suppliers. Now as you can see here, this supplier has been on there for almost 18 years. Wow, brilliant. And here this supplier has been on there for almost 3 years, and here 7 years, and here again this supplier has been on there for almost 18 years. Amazing. Now what you need to do, you need to start making money and drop shipping in eBay, and you need to pick one and message him for what you want. Now you can start your eBay store with this product. It's easy and simple to start and make money from it. Just you need to start. This strategy will help you to find good products to sell on eBay. So if you decide to selling this product, what I will do if I wanted to sell this product is that I would brand my store around. That's the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's the end. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that we miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a comment below. Stay safe.